Today, we're here at the beautiful northern beaches. The sun is shining and it's the perfect day to explore. Our first stop, Oceans Narrabeen, right here at the North Narrabeen. A good friend recommended this spot, so we had to try it out. Daddy John and I ordered their pulled pork tacos, highly recommended, and of course, carrot cake for Callista. The tacos were absolutely delicious. After that, it's playground time. Callista had a blast before we headed to the beach for some relaxing family time. Before heading home, we caught the stunning sunset at Warriewood Park, the perfect way to end our day. Our mission is simple: to discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales.